Hey y'all, welcome back. By a special request from one of our viewers, today we'll be showing you guys how to make Vietnamese baked mussels, also known as Chem Chép Nướng Hành. That's right. It is New Zealand green mussels baked with a simple sauce and topped off with scallion oil, crushed peanut and crispy fried shallot. This dish is super delicious and very easy to make at home, and it is definitely a crowd pleaser, so we hope you give this recipe a try. But before we get into this recipe, please take a moment to smash that like and subscribe button as well as that bell icon button to receive new notifications when we release our new videos. So y'all, let's get to cooking. To get started, let's gather the following ingredients. New Zealand green mussels, butter, vegetable oil, oyster sauce, water, fish sauce, sugar, cornstarch, chopped green onions, sliced ginger, minced garlic, crushed peanuts, and fried shallots. And as always, the specific measurements and ingredients will be listed in the description box below, so be sure to check that out.
First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit while we prepare our mussels for baking. And line your baking sheet with aluminum foil.
Next, we are going to prepare our green mussels to go into the oven for baking. Look at how nice and plump these mussels are.
We'll prepare our mussels by cleaning them thoroughly and removing the little hair or beard inside them. Additionally, we will detach the meat from the shell so that they'll be easier to eat. Once they're washed and cleaned, place them on your baking sheet. Now, melt unsalted butter and add it to each mussels. Now it's time to cook these mussels. Pop them in the oven and bake them for about 6 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit.
So while we wait for our mussels to bake, we will create our sauce. So to a bowl,
add 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, half a cup of water, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Give everything a good stir until all the ingredients are dissolved and well incorporated. Now to a saucepan on medium-high heat, add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and your chopped green onions. And give this a quick saute and then transfer it to a bowl. Leave back about a tablespoon of oil in the pan and add the minced garlic and sliced ginger and saute for about 30 seconds to a minute to bring out the aromatics. Then add in the oyster sauce mixture and also give this a stir and bring it to a boil and then let it simmer on medium-low heat until the sauce has thickened a bit. This will only take a couple of minutes. You may add in the chili paste or sauce to make it spicy if you would like. It's totally optional and up to you.
Gotta be careful, it's hot. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I can imagine how it's gonna taste on the mussels already. So good.
Alright, it's been about 6 minutes and now it's time to take the mussels out of the oven. We'll scoop and pour the sauce on top of each mussel with a spoon, and once done, we'll place the mussels back into the oven and let them bake for another 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, we can carefully remove the mussels from the oven and add toppings to them.
As you can see, they're sizzling and piping hot. They're smelling so good, y'all.
And finally, before we serve them, we're going to garnish them with the scallion oil we made earlier, as well as some crushed peanuts and fried shallots for that nice added crunch. By now, it should be less hot, so go ahead and plate them and enjoy them. And here is the final product, Vietnamese baked mussels. Don't these mussels look gorgeous? The color is amazingly beautiful. This is a great appetizer for potlucks and gatherings. These mussels are best paired with a cold beer. We promise your guests will love it. So be sure to eat them right away while they're fresh. And friends, we hope you enjoy our video and leave a comment below what you think of this simple yet delicious recipe.
And friends, there you have it. This is how you make Vietnamese baked mussels, also known as Chem Chép Nướng Hành. And you already know what time it is. It's taste test time.
But first, check this out.
Whoa, look how beautiful that is. Woo!
All right.
Okay, let me get one.
Ready? Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. All right, let's give this a try.
Mmm. 10 out of 10. I can make this again and again. This is gonna be added to our menu.
Yes,
This
yummy.
is so good. All the flavor you can taste, like the fried shallots, the ginger, the
Crunchy peanut.
and they call it scallion oil. That just makes this so good. Y'all have no idea. Y'all have to definitely make this recipe.
So savory.
This is so good. I kind of want one more, but we're gonna wait until we get all of this.
Yeah.
But
With a bowl of rice.
anyways, and if you guys haven't already, please go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button to receive future notifications. Also, be sure to check out our other great recipes over there. And thank you for watching today, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye. Peace.